Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through dock maintenance for the Mova V70 Ultra Complete. The link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals, and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check the links in the description. So, front and center, we have the station right here. Let's just start at the top and we'll work our way down. Up at the top, we have access to our clean and dirty water tanks right here. So we can pull both of those out with nice, easy to grip handles. And looking at the inside here, down in this corner, we have one little dot here. That's gonna be a little drain hole in case there's any water or drips in this area. So make sure that that's free and clear from obstructions. This is where the clean water goes in and the dirty water comes out. So make sure those holes are also free and clear from any obstructions. And then looking at the tanks, for the clean water tank, not much to it here. You can just wash and rinse this out as you feel led. But for the dirty water tank, it's in your best interest to wash and rinse this out after every use. You can add a thing like mouthwash, your favorite cleaner or detergent, denture tablets, right? Retainer cleaning tablets, anything along those lines you can put in here to help prevent that water from smelling so bad if you don't want to empty this after every use. Moving down on the station right here, we have a cover that's removable. Just grab it from the front and it pulls off. That reveals our solution tank here. This does have a dual solution dispensing system, and it's clearly labeled A and B for you to put the correct compatible solution in each one. Nothing to do here besides fill it up once they're empty, and that just goes right back in. And then on this side right here, we have their EcoCycle dust collector. This is so cool. So look at this, we don't have a vacuum bag anymore. What do we have here? We have, you guessed it, a dust collector. So how can we clean and maintain this? The first thing is we can pop this filter off. And in here, we can wash and rinse this out. So you can wash and rinse this out. Everything here is washable and rinsable. The key is just make sure that you give it plenty of time to dry. A good full day would be awesome. Put it in the sun, that sort of thing. Now we have our filter here. Let me show you how this works. But basically, remove the filter. There's this little slide arrow. So you just slide it off and it comes apart, right? So you can wash and rinse these. And then right here, we have the filter itself. So we can pop this cover off and that reveals the filter, washable, rinsable. This side to the top. This is the top right here, if that makes sense. This is the bottom. This is the top, arrow up. And then keep that little guy out so it's easier to get to the filter in the future. So just press it down, snap that cover in place. And now we can go ahead and we can slide that back in. And then we can just snap this right back into the container. It doesn't matter, it snaps either way. So very clever engineering right there, super cool. And then that just snaps right back in place in the station. Cover also snaps back on. And now that leaves us to the bottom area here. And we have one tiny little removable piece that we can just pull out, wash and rinse this out. This will collect larger pieces of fur, grass clippings, leaves, debris, things like that that you don't want sucked up into the station. And then with it removed, make sure that this hole at the bottom, it's gonna be really hard to see in this video, but there's a hole down there. Make sure that's free and clear from debris so you don't have any clogs. But this is the key. Make sure this pre-filter is always installed to prevent larger debris from going into the station. And you're gonna wanna empty that periodically for best results. We also have our charging contacts down there, our self-empty chute, so you can just inspect those for any debris or buildup. And then lastly, this tray is removable. So if you ever notice any dirt, debris, you can just gently pop that off and rinse it off. Overall, it's a very nice, well-rounded station that's easy to clean and maintain. And this specific station, given its reusable dustbin, going to help cut down on monthly and yearly costs operating your vacuum.